In this video, I'll show you how you can change your Roblox game icon. Now what you want to do is you want to go to roblox.com and log into your account. After that, click on Create. Once you're in the Creators Hub right here, what you want to do is you want to go over to Creations. Select your creation. Now I'll just choose the default one right here. And when you click on it on the left side, you want to head over to Places. Select it again. And in here you have the option to choose an icon. Now you can do the placeholder image, which is the default one. You can do an AI generated image, or you can upload your own by choosing image and click change. Now keep in mind that it must be a square image, as well as it needs to be JPG, PNG, TGA or BMP. Simply press change and upload the one you want, save changes, and then reload your page and you'll have the new icon. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.